wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best tea tree shampoos. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Yesta Natural Scalp Relief is a good choice for anyone dealing with itchiness and flaking, thanks to the soothing sage oil in it, which has moisturizing and cleansing properties. Unfortunately, it doesn't do much in the gloss department. It contains growth-promoting sweet potato and is Leaping Bunny certified. However, it doesn't give you a tingling sensation. At number 9, the provitamins and botanicals in Jason Normalizing should do exactly what the name promises: help your scalp produce a healthy amount of oils and get your follicles in working order again. It's a good choice for anyone trying to combat thinning. It includes collagen-boosting calendula and is gentle on sensitive heads, but it may leave the ends coarse. Coming in at number 8 in our list, Chi Tea Tree contains hydrolyzed silk, which creates a protective barrier on hair strands that makes them stronger and more resilient to breakage, and also adds shine. It's a gluten-free option made with 87% all-natural ingredients. This one produces a great tingling sensation and removes impurities effectively. The bottle has a convenient pump top. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tea tree shampoos, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, Rocky Mountain Barber Company Forest Mint is made for men and has a scent designed specifically to appeal to them, one that happens to be produced without any artificial fragrances. Instead, it relies on real essential oils and other beneficial ingredients. It's made in Canada in small batches with strengthening hemp seed oil. It leaves hair shiny and smooth. Moving up our list to number 6. Trader Joe's Tingle by Kodiak is a cruelty-free option that includes anti-inflammatory eucalyptus, debris-removing grapefruit seed, and a range of other certified organic botanicals. It's especially moisturizing and can help alleviate a dry scalp. It's an alcohol-free formula with a refreshing scent. It produces a cooling sensation. Halfway up our list at number 5. Honeyskin Organic is made with apple stem cells, which the company claims can help slow the aging process of follicles, thereby stopping or even reversing thinning. While the efficacy is questionable, it might be worth a try if you don't mind the lofty price. It features antioxidant-rich Manuka honey, coconut oil for scalp health, and anti-protozoal properties. At number 4, if you're very conscientious about what you put in your hair, you'll appreciate that Maple Holistic Special Formula is almost entirely comprised of natural ingredients, one of those being a keratin complex that may be able to help reduce frizziness. It uses coconut-based surfactants and jojoba and argan oils for thickness. It's got dandruff-fighting properties too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, those struggling with hair loss or thinning will appreciate that Desert Essence Replenishing contains yucca, which is said to help treat both of those problems. This same ingredient can also reduce inflammation, itchiness, and dandruff, making it good for multiple issues. This is a pH-balanced formula that includes nourishing eucalyptus oil and no harsh alcohol. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tea tree shampoos, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, OGX Hydrating Plus offers that refreshingly clean feeling without a high cost like many other options. It contains milk protein that may strengthen brittle, dry hair and prevent future breakage, and it does a good job of rinsing out styling products. It's free of sulfates and suitable for all hair types. It has a nice unisex fragrance. And coming in at number 1 on our list, containing menthol and peppermint, Paul Mitchell Special will produce an invigorating, tingling feeling while also soothing the scalp. The addition of lavender leaves hair smelling great and may also help promote growth and enhance thickness. It's free of parabens and safe to use on colored hair. It helps stop flaking. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tea tree shampoos, or simply click beneath this video.